today was hair wash day and I'm finally gonna be showing you my hair care routine. So small disclaimer before I start, I am not a professional hairdresser. This is the healthiest and longest my hair has been in a while, considering I am not willing to give up styling and bleaching. So the hair care routine I'm gonna be showing you is something I do every single time I shower. So personally, my hair can last up to 4 to 5 days. And if you're trying to train your hair to last longer, I would recommend using like a good dry shampoo, but don't use it too much too often. I personally use the Bleached if you're in Qatar. It's a good brand. So let's start with the routine. The first thing I do is brush my hair. My routine usually starts the night before I shower, but I would be lying to you if I said I always do that. So when I have the time, I start the night before and I oil my hair. Now lately I've been using coconut oil and argan oil. I only use it on my ends because I feel like it makes my scalp greasy. If you don't feel like it's making your hair more greasy, then definitely go on your entire scalp and massage it. I got them from Carrefour, which is like a supermarket kind of, and so I definitely recommend looking into your like local supermarket before going to like a hair place, because you're gonna be paying like so much more if you get it from a hair place. This is originally for cooking, but it's 100% pure coconut oil. So if you find that in your cooking section, but it's pure coconut oil, you can still use it on your hair. By the way, I've been using this for like 6 or 7 months now and I am just up to here. I've been putting it on my entire hair. If you're gonna keep the oil overnight, I recommend using a nightcap if you don't want to get oil all over your pillows, on your face and whatever. I also recommend getting this for when you style your hair and you're gonna go to bed. It really protects your hairstyle. If you don't have time to put it overnight, just do the oiling at least like an hour before you shower. And then we head into the showering part. To be honest, I'm not very picky about my shampoo and conditioner, but the only advice I would give you is look into the ingredients when you buy a shampoo and avoid sulfates. So it's usually SLS or SLES or anything that has the word sulfate. If I were to recommend you guys any shampoo and conditioner, I would go with the brand Way, or I would go with Olaplex. These are a bit more on the expensive side. I also usually like Garnier, like the Ultra Doux. Yeah, I'm not very picky with that. So usually I shampoo my hair twice, but if it's been like a month where I've been showering so much, doing too many hairstyles, I try to do a one-time shampoo shower. There was a time where I tried the no shampoo showers, but no, I wouldn't go back to that. After I shampoo and apply conditioner, that's a very important thing. Do not skip conditioner. Like if I skip conditioner, I can see a difference in my hair. It's super like dry and tangled and it's hard to brush and all that. So I never ever skip my conditioner. One tip I always do is to rinse my conditioner with cold water, or at least like room temperature water. You don't have to put like very cold water on your head. Also, common knowledge, don't put conditioner on your scalp, just put it on your ends. Once I get out of the shower, I make sure I'm using a very soft towel. If I don't find my soft towel, I use a shirt. Another thing I do is I avoid to brush my hair when it's very, very wet. So as soon as I get out of the shower, I do not brush my hair. I usually tend to apply at least one product I'll be showing you right now. So this leads me into the products I apply on damp hair. This is all on damp hair. The first thing I apply before I brush my hair is this styling cream from the brand Sunsilk, and they have different ones for different types of hair, and I got this as a PR, and honestly I've been using it ever since. Like I really love it. This is my genuine opinion. It's not like sponsored or anything. It's also lasted me a long time. Like there's still 3/4 of it and I've been using it for like 5-6 months, something like that. This is specifically frizz proof, so if you have straight hair, usually they have one for you specifically, but this one works perfectly with my kind of hair. I use just a bit of it. Don't use too much, it can become greasy, even though it says non-greasy, and it really is non-greasy if you use a decent amount. It doesn't feel like you have something on your hair, trust me, it still feels like your hair is completely clean. It's very lightweight. I apply it on the ends only, by the way, do not apply it on your scalp. After I apply that, I usually brush my hair, and it's really easy to brush. Next thing I use is this box. I found this at Sephora. I think you can buy them separately. This is the brand Virtue. The first thing is a density booster. This is something I always use on the sides of my head, because if you guys have been here for a while, you know I have like a lack of hair here, this kind of hairline shape, and I don't like it, so I've been trying a lot of methods. I have a video on rosemary water, which it did make a difference, but I did not continue with that because it was a bit like hard to work with and like it smells a bit bad. So ever since I got this, I stopped rosemary water, I stopped rice water. I've been only using this spray, and it's so fast, so convenient. You keep it on your hair, you don't have to wash it off. So I just spray like 2 times or 3 times here. I massage it for like a minute or 2, and that's it. I leave it in, and it's been making a huge difference. Now the second thing that comes with it is a healing oil, and it's also something you can apply on damp hair, and you leave it, you just style your hair as you would, and it smells amazing. It doesn't feel greasy or oily. Seriously, like, trust me, it doesn't. I'm not lying to you. There's one more product. I mean, I don't know, I think it's a good one. It's also for frizz control, and it's a serum. It's the hyaluronic, I don't know how to pronounce that, hyaluronic acid. I think it's pretty good. It's like a liquid, and you also apply it. It has no smell, it doesn't bother me, it doesn't make my hair greasy. So we are done with products on damp hair. Now I let my hair air dry if I can. Before I style my hair, I always apply a heat protector, and then I just style my hair. This is not a styling video, but if you would like to see how I professionally style my hair, please don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Before I leave you guys, I want to give you a list of things to avoid just as a reminder. First, I would avoid bleaching my hair many times. So if I have like already bleached hair over here, I try to avoid bleaching on top of it. I would also avoid sleek hairstyles for girls who have like the same problem as me with like their hairline and like probably losing hair here, or whatever is your case, or even if you're losing hair over here. If you're doing a lot of sleek hairstyles, this could be the issue, because it's like pulling your hair all day. I'm not saying don't do it at all, you can do it on occasions obviously. Avoid brushing your hair when it's completely wet, especially if it feels like it's very tangled. Just wait until it's a little bit dry at least. I would avoid teasing my hair. I don't know, I feel like teasing also tends to like just mess with your hair in a way. Avoid sulfates in shampoos, and avoid washing your hair so many times. Alright, that is all for my hair care routine video. If you want other kinds of videos, please suggest in the comments below. I really desperately need some ideas. Also, please consider subscribing. I have so much more content than just hair. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!